Greetings students. So this is our chapter 2 of EVS Animals and Plants. Okay. Cats, dogs and tigers are living things. When you call out to a dog, it comes running to you. Mangoes, apples and banana are also living things, yet however much you may call a ripe mango high up on the tree, it will not come down. Though both animals and plants are living things, they are different from each other in many ways. Like this. Both animals and plants are living things. They are different from each other in many ways, like movement, food habit, in breathing, sense organs and reproduction. Movement in plants and animals. Why do birds fly from one place to another? Why does a lion roam about in a jungle? They move in search of food. On the other hand, most plants are fixed to the ground. They do not have to search for food. They make their own food. Plants cannot move. They are fixed on the ground. They can make their own food, so they do not have to move in search of food. But in case of animals cannot make their food, so they have to move around to search of food. Now, how do plants make their food? All green plants can make their food with the help of water, air and sunlight. This process is called photosynthesis. Only the leaves of plant make food. This food is given to different parts of the plants in the form of energy. So, plants need water, air and sunlight to make their own food. If we talk about what do animals eat? Animals cannot make their own food. Animals like cows, buffaloes eat grass and elephants eat sugarcane. Animals like lions, tigers and cats eat other animals. However, green plants make their own food with the help of water, air and sunlight. Okay. Some animals eat only plants and plant parts. They are called plant-eating animals like cow, buffalo, elephant, etc. Some animals eat other animals. They are called flesh-eating animals, for example, lion, tigers, eagle, etc. Some animals eat both plants and other animals, for example, human beings, bears, squirrel, etc. Only non-green plants like molds and mushrooms get their food from dead and rotten matter. Now, how do animals breathe? Most animals that live on land breathe through lungs. For example, human beings, horses, tigers, monkeys and gorillas. Fishes and tadpoles have gills with help. Fish and tadpoles have gills which help them to breathe in water. They need gills. Although whales and dolphins live in water, they breathe through lungs. Insects such as ants, grasshopper, flies, butterflies breathe through air holes. on their body. Animals such as frog and earthworms breathe through their skin. This is about the animals. Now move on to the plants. How do plants breathe? Plants breathe through tiny pores on their leaves. These pores cannot be seen with naked eyes. These pores cannot be seen with naked eyes. So, this is the tiny pores. It is called stomata. Next, sense organs. Animals have 5 sense organs. You all know: skin, eyes, nose, ears and tongue. These sense organs help them to know about the world around them. Our skin helps us to feel touch. Eyes help us to see. Nose helps us to smell. Ears helps us to hear sounds. And tongue helps us to taste food. Plants do not have sense organs. Now, reproduction in animals. All animals reproduce and have babies. Animals such as snake, fish and birds lay eggs. Babies hatch from these eggs. Animals such as cats, cows, dogs give birth to their young ones. Now, reproduction in plants. Plants reproduce by producing seeds, like this. New plants grow from these seeds. New plants grow from these seeds when they get right amount of air, water and sunlight. In some cases, new plants can grow from part of the plant such as stem, roots or leaves. For example, potato and sugarcane grow from stem. Carrot and radish grow from roots, like this. A baby plant grows from the seed. Okay. Interdependence. Animals and plants depend to each other to live. Animals depend on plants for food and habitat. They in turn help plants spread the seeds to faraway places so they can grow. When there are just enough plants, just enough plant-eating animals, and just enough flesh-eating animals in the world, a balance is maintained in nature. Human beings, however, disturb this balance by cutting trees and killing animals. We must therefore grow more trees to protect animals and maintain this balance. Like this in this picture. A monkey eats a mango. The monkey throws the seed. A baby plant grows from the seed. Thank you, and I hope you understand about the animals and plants.